Hello my friend, today we're showing you the A139 Pro 2-channel Ultra HD plus Full HD camera, 4K HD, dual channel recording. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get in the box. Presentation is very nice. Everything comes nice and protected. Alright, so this is it. This is the front camera. I believe that would be for the front. I mean, you can rotate it, I believe. Yeah, so you can actually have it facing you, or you can have it facing the road. Make sure you peel off the protective tape on the side there. You pull this off when you're sticking it to mount it on your dash or on the glass. You got your power button and all your settings right through here. Let's go ahead and show you guys some accessories. All right. Looks like they give you some screen protectors. That's awesome. A manual, must-read tips, and a warranty card. Sir, we'd like to speak to you about your auto warranty. Power cable, a 12 volt. Oh no, I was gonna say this was a 12 volt. No, this is the other camera. Make sure you peel off all the plastic protecting. You got your double-sided tape on here as well. Your video output, you'll connect that cable. So it's gonna basically go like this. And then you'll connect the other video cable output on here. Let's see, I believe this would be for the rear. So I believe it would go like that. We'll double check the manual before we're done here. Looks like they give you a lens. So a different lens. That's nice. Or either a different lens or lens protector. So that's awesome. We'll take a look at that in the future. They give you some more double-sided tape in here. Your tool for mounting. And then this is going to be the power supply that you're going to be using in your vehicle. Here's the 12 volt. Alright. So you're going to plug this 12 volts into your cigarette outlet, which they give you 2 USB ports on there. And then what you'll do is you'll take one USB port, plug it in there. This other port, this other plug I should say, goes right into the power port like that. And now you have power going to both of your setups here. Now we're going to go ahead and show you guys some footage.